Hey friends, today I've prepared a simple and beginner-friendly overview of the WhiteBIT cryptocurrency exchange. This guide is designed especially for those who are just starting their journey in the world of crypto and want to know where to begin. We'll walk through all the essentials, from registration and account funding to securing your assets and exploring the exciting features this platform offers. And as a bonus, I've got a little surprise for you. Use my referral link in the description to get up to 6,200 USDT after signing up. Referral code CP6969. So let's not waste any time. Let's dive in together. About the exchange. WhiteBIT is a cryptocurrency exchange that has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable and user-friendly platforms in the world. It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders, offering everything from simple token swaps to futures trading and even passive income opportunities. The exchange is growing rapidly, with over 2 million users across 190 countries, more than 400 trading pairs, and offices opening globally, including in Portugal and Australia. What truly stands out are the unique features WhiteBIT brings to the table. For example, staking with returns of up to 30% annually. Demo tokens that let you practice trading without risking real money. Their mission is clear, to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, and they're actively working toward that goal. Registering on WhiteBIT is your first step into crypto, and it's as simple as possible. In your material, I mentioned that it takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through the steps. Here's what you need to do. Visit the website. Open WhiteBIT using my referral link in the description. Register button. On the website, look for the Register button in the top right corner. Click it to open the registration form. Enter email and password. Enter your email and create a password. Make sure to write down your password somewhere safe. Referral code. There's a field for a code in the form. Enter my code CP6969. Find it in the description. This will give you bonuses up to $6,200 for beginners. Agree to terms. Check the box to agree to the terms and confirm you're not from Russia or Belarus. This is important for the exchange. Email confirmation. Click Continue. A code will be sent to your email. Open the email, copy the 6-digit code and enter it on the site. Log in to your account. After entering the code, you'll be redirected to your account. Enter your email and password again to log in. You're all set and registered. On the WhiteBIT platform, completing verification, KYC, isn't mandatory, but I genuinely recommend doing it. Why does it matter? Because verification unlocks the full potential of the exchange. It allows you to significantly increase your withdrawal limits up to 100 BTC per day, and gives you access to fiat currencies like USD and others. The verification process itself is incredibly simple and user-friendly. It's a small step that opens big doors, especially if you're planning to trade seriously or use all the platform's features. The standard method: fill out the form, upload a photo of your passport or ID, and take a selfie with the document and the caption WhiteBIT.com plus date. You'll wait up to 24 hours for verification. Once completed, all the exchange's features will be available to you. You know what makes it all even better? Understanding the ins and outs of crypto becomes a breeze when you've got a space where everything is broken down for beginners, trading signals are shared daily, and live sessions dive deep into coin analysis. That's exactly what our Telegram channel is all about. Your go-to hub for support, insights, and practical tips so you don't get lost in the crypto jungle. The link's waiting for you in the description. Tap in, explore, and see how much easier your crypto journey can be. Next, we have a very important step: security. The first thing to do after verification is to secure your account. Beginners often overlook this aspect and regret it later. Here's a simple guide. Download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. In WhiteBIT security settings, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Scan the QR code using Google Authenticator. You'll receive a 6-digit code that changes every 15 seconds. Enter this code every time you log into the exchange or withdraw funds. This truly protects you from hacking. Even if someone learns your password, they can't do anything without your phone. Make sure to do this. Just don't forget your password for Google Authenticator. Deposits and withdrawals. WhiteBIT supports funding with both cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies, such as USD, EUR, etc. Here's how it works. Crypto deposits. In the wallet section, click Deposit. Choose the coin, for example USDT, and select the network. I recommend TRC20 as it's cheap, only 30 cents commission. Copy the address or scan the QR code and transfer from another wallet or exchange. Fiat deposits, USD. In Wallet, select Fiat Currencies, USD, Deposit, enter the amount, input your card details, and confirm. The commission ranges from 0% to 3.5%. Withdrawals. Click Withdraw. Choose the coin or currency. Enter the wallet address or card number, the amount, and confirm the transaction via 2FA. Always verify the network, such as TRC20, as mistakes can result in a permanent loss of funds. Trading on WhiteBIT is a key component if you're aiming not just to hold cryptocurrency, but to earn from it. The platform offers two main types of trading: spot trading and futures trading. Let's break each one down. Spot trading is when you buy or sell cryptocurrency at the current market price. On WhiteBIT, it's very straightforward, making it a great starting point for beginners. Here's how it works step by step. Transfer to trading wallet. Once funds appear in your main wallet, you need to transfer them to the trading wallet. It's simple. In the wallet section, find the main tab. Select the desired coin. For example, USDT. Click Transfer and enter the amount. This is necessary because spot trading is conducted from the trading wallet. Access to trading. Once funds are in the trading wallet, go to the trade section on the website or app. A window with a chart and pairs will open immediately. WhiteBIT supports over 250 cryptocurrencies and 400 trading pairs, offering a wide selection. For example, you might choose the BTC-USDT pair. Choosing order type. WhiteBIT offers several order types for spot trading, and I'll cover the main ones. Market order. Buy or sell immediately at the current price. Simply enter the amount, how much USDT you want to spend, or how much BTC to sell, and click buy or sell. This is the fastest method. Limit order. Set your own price at which you want to buy or sell. For example, you want to buy Bitcoin at 80,000 USDT. Enter the price, amount, and wait for someone to accept your offer. The order will execute only when the price reaches your level. Confirming the trade. After the order is fulfilled, immediately for market or when the price reaches for limit, the crypto will appear in your trading balance. In the Trade History tab, you can view all details, how much you bought, at what price, etc. Commission. WhiteBIT charges a 0.1% commission on the transaction amount for spot trading. If you have their token, WBT, you can get a discount. Up to 100% depending on the number of tokens. Demo tokens. A unique feature from WhiteBIT is demo tokens. These are not real money, but virtual, allowing you to practice trading. How to do it? In the trade section, look for the demo mode option, where you can try buying and selling without risking real funds. Perfect for beginners. Next, let's delve into futures trading. Futures are for those ready for more risk and looking to profit from price fluctuations with leverage. Here's how it works on WhiteBIT. Preparing your balance. For futures, you need a collateral wallet. Transfer funds from your main or trading wallet to the collateral wallet. It's the same process. In balance, select the coin. For example, USDT, click transfer and enter the amount. This will be your deposit for trading. Accessing futures. In the menu, select Trade, Futures. This will open an interface with a chart. Bitcoin USDT is a perpetual contract allowing you to trade Bitcoin with USDT. Choosing leverage. WhiteBIT offers leverage up to 20x. This means with 100 USDT, you can trade with 2000 USDT. However, be cautious. This increases both potential profits and risks. In the settings, choose your desired leverage. For example, 5x or 10x. Order types. Futures have the same orders as spot, plus a few additional ones. Stop market. The order triggers when the price reaches your stop level and buys sells at market price. For example, set a stop at 48,000 USDT for Bitcoin to limit losses. Stop limit. Combines stop and limit. Set a stop price, for example 48,000, and a limit price, 47,500. When the price hits the stop, the order becomes a limit order and executes at your price. Execution and control. Click buy for long or sell for short. Long is a bet on price increase, short on a decrease. Once a position is open, monitor the chart and close it manually or set a stop limit for automatic closure. The futures commission is slightly lower than spot. Demo mode. Like spot, futures can be tested with demo tokens. The process is the same. Go to trade, futures, choose demo mode and practice without risk. Tips for beginners. Start small. Deposit 50, 100 USDT and try a spot market order. Don't take high leverage on futures. 3x, 5x is enough for starters. Review the trade history in your trading or collateral balance to learn from your actions. If you're hesitant, practice with the demo. WhiteBIT allows this for free. That's how you can step-by-step trade on WhiteBIT. Start with spot trading, and once you feel confident, try futures. Next, I'll talk about WhiteBIT's products and services. Smart staking is a passive earning method on WhiteBIT, where you deposit your crypto and earn interest up to 30% annually. Getting started with staking. Visit the WhiteBIT website or app. In the menu, look for the Smart Staking section. Click on it, and a page with all available plans will open. Choosing a plan. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies, over 40 assets, and plans. For example, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and more. Each plan has its term from 10 to 360 days and interest rate. For instance, 18.64% annually or 1% per month on USDT. Choose a plan that suits you. Say, 30 days on 2000 USDT to earn $21. To start, you need crypto in your main wallet. If it's not there, you need to top up first. I've already detailed how to do that earlier. In Smart Staking, next to your chosen plan, enter the number of coins. For example, 2000 USDT for 10 days yields $5. The minimum is 50 USDT and the maximum is 600,000 USDT. Ensure the amount is within limits and click Deposit. Waiting for earnings. After depositing, the crypto is locked for the plan's duration. A timer will start counting down. For example, 30 days. Once the time is up, your coins plus interest will automatically return to your main wallet. If plans change, you can close the plan early. In Smart Staking, go to the Active Plans tab, find yours, and click Close Plan. The crypto will return to your wallet, but interest won't be credited. Only the initial amount will be returned. WhiteBIT Token is the exchange's native token that offers numerous benefits. In August 2022, WhiteBIT launched WBT through a launchpad, and it sold out in 15 minutes. The capitalization reached $500 million. For more information, visit the WBT section on the website. A link is provided in your material. Buying WBT. Go to Trade and select a pair with WBT. For example, WBT USDT. top up your trading wallet, as described in trading, place a market order and purchase the desired amount. Alternatively, participate in launchpads or launch pools mentioned in the text. Utilizing benefits. By holding WBT in your wallet, you gain discounts on trading fees from 5% to 100% and higher staking rates. Simply keep the tokens in your main wallet. Everything works automatically. Storage. WBT is an ERC20 token, so you can withdraw it to an external wallet like MetaMask, but for bonuses, it's better to keep it on WhiteBT. WhitePay is a platform for making real-life payments with cryptocurrency. WhitePay allows you to pay with crypto in stores and exchange it for fiat. Visit the WhitePay website, link in the description, or the WhiteBIT app for more details. Funding your wallet. To make payments, you need crypto in your main wallet. Top it up as I explained earlier in this video. Payment in store. At a partner store, choose your item and inform the cashier you'll pay with crypto. The cashier provides a QR code via the WhitePay POS terminal. Scan it using the WhiteBIT app, select the coin, for example Bitcoin, and confirm the payment. Additional features. WhitePay also supports donations and crypto acquiring for businesses. For these services, contact WhiteBIT support through the website. Just imagine this. You walk into a store and pay with crypto you earned through staking or trading, all thanks to WhiteBIT. Convenient, absolutely. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The exchange unlocks so much more. Passive income, instant transfers, and smart tools designed to help you earn. Want to know how to make the most of these features? Join our Telegram channel. It's where I share real-life use cases, break down new WhiteBIT functions, and show you how to avoid common traps. It's the behind the scenes of crypto, raw and practical. The link's in the description. Jump in and discover the full potential of the platform. Turn everyday trading into a whole new level of earning. WhiteBIT codes. WhiteBIT codes offer a quick way to transfer crypto between WhiteBIT wallets. The material includes a step-by-step guide, which I'll outline here. Creating a code. Navigate to the wallet section and select WhiteBIT codes. Choose the cryptocurrency, for example USDT, enter the amount and click Create Code. You can add a password for extra security. Transferring the code, you receive a unique code. Copy it and send it to a friend via Messenger or email. Activating the code. Your friend goes to the same WhiteBIT codes section, clicks Activate, pastes the code, and enters the password if there is one. The crypto is instantly credited to their main wallet, without fees or waiting. Verification. Check your wallet to confirm the amount was deducted, and your friend confirms receipt. It's instant because the code works through the exchange's hot wallet. Mobile application. The WhiteBIT app is a convenient way to trade and manage crypto from your phone. Download the app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. The material states that it's available on both platforms. Enter your email and WhiteBIT account password. If 2FA is enabled, which I recommended, scan the code with Google Authenticator. All features are accessible in the app. Wallet funding, USDT, USD, etc., trading, spot and futures, staking, choose a plan right there, and transfers via WhiteBIT codes. The interface is simple, and everything is just a few clicks away. If you have an Apple Watch, the app displays Bitcoin prices directly on your watch. Alright friends, we've covered all the key features of WhiteBIT. From staking that generates passive income, to the mobile app and the WBT token, this exchange is built to make every beginner feel right at home. Clear tools, competitive rates, and even the ability to pay with crypto in stores. It's all part of the experience. Ready to give it a shot? Use my link in the description, test the platform yourself, and start earning today.